hiccups. Hmm? You got hiccups, sweetheart? Yeah, you have. You got hiccups. Okay. Oh dear. Okay. Oh dear. Oh, I know you got hiccups.